What up, Custom Fiends? I want y'all to tell me something. Have you ever seen anything like this? This shoe that I just customized is one of a kind. I mean, look at how the crystals drip and how those half pearls shine. It's one of a kind, y'all, and it's made by yours truly. And today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to see how it was made. This shoe's material is canvas. It started out plain and all black, but with the help of some serious talent and a lot of patience, I was able to transform it into a sparkling work of magnificence. And to help me show off all of the details, I used the Insta360 One X2. This camera is crazy, y'all. It's a 360 camera, so it can capture literally everything, from the smallest crystal to a broad sweep of the entire workspace. Look at how each of these crystals catch the light. I mean, they look like diamonds. The way the light is reflecting and refracting everywhere makes the shoe truly a sight to see. For real, y'all, look at it. Now let's take a look around my workshop. This is literally where I go to work. And as you can see, I have so much space to work in. I have a different station for different tasks that I have to complete for the shoe. No, just a little humor. But the small space makes for a comfortable and relaxing workspace. And that translates into each pair being made with the same level of care and attention to detail. And here's the best part of it all. I don't just customize shoes for myself and my family. I customize them for people just like you. I don't have a specific customer for this shoe. You can literally find the time to wear these anytime, anywhere. Imagine slipping your feet into these babies and feeling like $1,000,000. So if you're ready to step up your shoe game, come see us. We'd be happy to make you a custom pair of crystal shoes that'll have everybody's eyes on you. And before y'all head out, let's take one more look at this masterpiece. It's truly a work of art.
Shawty wanna play with a young boss. I've been working since midnight. Now I don't really give a fuck what it costs. I'm a boss of what it costs.
And that's a wrap, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you're interested in getting your own pair of customized crystal shoes, please visit our website at customfiends.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.